Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer. I don't know how you found me, but I'm happy you're here. Channel for quick, fast, easy meals for people who don't want to cook, don't have time to cook, don't like to cook. This is broccoli cheese casserole with ham, saffron rice, crispy onions like you'd use for green bean casserole, cheese, and I used Alfredo instead of your traditional American. Cheddar cheese. I do have cheddar, and I have Alfredo cheese. So this is a new take on a delicious meal. This is a one dish meal because I added the ham and the rice. You can use it as a side dish and just omit all of the proteins. So I just wanted you to see how delicious this is. You want the recipe? Keep watching. Okay, everyone, here are the ingredients for broccoli and cheese casserole. I have an 8x8, I have some non-stick cooking spray. Behind that I have some foil because I am going to cover it. And instead of your traditional cheddar cheese that most people use for broccoli cheese casserole, I'm using Alfredo sauce. You can use any kind of cheese or sauce that you like. I'm also going to add some sharp cheddar cheese. It's pre-grated. You can grate your own. And I have a package of ham. It's diced. It's already cooked. And to change things up, I'm going to add some crispy fried onions to this recipe. Forgot, I have some leftover cream and mushroom soup. It's just about a half a can and I want to use that up. And I'm going to add rice for some sustenance. You can make this a complete meal or call it a complete meal if you use the ham and the rice because you've got your starch and your protein. And that is saffron rice. You can use any kind of white rice that you have. I had that left over from last night. That's just under 2 cups and I wanted to use it. And if you want the recipe for this, it follows this video. And the crispy onions kind of brings you back to like a green bean casserole and some black pepper. My broccoli florets, if you want to use fresh, please blanch them in hot water for 1 to 2 minutes, then shock them in cold water to stop the cooking process. They will be too hard. This only cooks for 30 to 45 minutes in the oven unless you like your vegetables really crunchy. I do not. So I'm going to get everything set up, get the broccoli microwaved. My oven is set to 350 degrees. Let's get cooking. Okay, let's start with the broccoli. This is the brand I use, Walmart. It only took 7 minutes, 5 minutes of a high heat microwave. I'm going to add the rice. That's my saffron rice. Like I said, don't worry if you only have white rice. Use white rice, but if you want to elevate some dishes, be fancy, definitely check out that video. And I'm going to add my cream of mushroom soup to this. Leftover, wanted to use it up. And to this I'm going to add some sharp cheddar cheese. Just eyeball it. I'm hoping this all fits in an 8x8. That's why I haven't sprayed it yet, because I want to not use a 9x9. And I've got some ragu Alfredo sauce. Use whatever favorite sauce you like. Most people just do cheddar when they do broccoli cheese casserole, and I think the Alfredo gives it a different flavor, especially with the crispy onions. I'm gonna sit that upside down. That's how you can get the last bit out to make things stretch. I'm gonna stir this around. Whoops, making a mess. Gonna add some black pepper. I love black pepper. If you don't use it. And I have it set pretty coarse. I'm gonna add some ham. I'm just gonna eyeball the ham, because technically I do want to make another recipe out of some of this ham. And this is the diced ham that you buy at the supermarket. Like I said, you can make this a whole meal, adding a lot of meat. You can add chicken, any protein you like to this. Still delicious. And I'm going to add the crispy onions. Just so I think it's enough. If you don't have these, don't worry about it. You want an onion flavor, chop up an onion. If you don't want it very pronounced, cook it a little bit ahead of time in butter. I just want to give this a good mix. If you leave out the meat and you can just have it as a side dish, I'm having it as a complete meal. I worked this weekend and I wanted it broccoli forward. You can always add more rice. That piece of broccoli is awful big, so I'm going to take and see it's soft. That's the way I like my vegetables. If you like them to have more snap, like I said, use fresh, and definitely don't cook it as long. So now we're going to give this 8x8 a try. Let's see if it will fit. And you can butter it if you like. That doesn't butter my dish. And if you don't want to use cooking spray. And here we go. And if it's tight, I am going to put a piece of foil under this in the oven. I've got my oven at the highest rack because, you know, heat rises, and that way it won't have to cook as long. And like I said, everything in here is already cooked. So basically, yeah, 8x8 is perfect. Warming this through to get it nice and bubbly and cheesy. Get all the flavors to come together. And you definitely need the cream of mushroom soup. It adds a certain zip to it. Now, the reason I'm going to cover it is because you can cook it uncovered, but wait to add these onions, because if you don't, they may brown too fast before this gets hot. So I'm going to cover it for 30 minutes, take the foil off, and then let the onions continue to brown a little bit. This gives it a texture difference as opposed to just soft and creamy. And if you don't have these, you can also use breadcrumbs with butter, panko or any kind. Melt your 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, microwave the butter, stir it in a bowl, top it on top of this, and then put it in the oven. So you cover this with foil, 350, meet you back in 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes in the oven, take the foil off, and you see it's hot, but it's not bubbly like I like it. That's why I'm taking the foil off now. Put it back in for another 15 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and tell you guys my joke. You know, I upload 2 videos a week, and I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. Okay guys, right out of the oven, 45 minutes. See how bubbly and cheesy that is? This smells delicious. Now remember, this is more like a green bean casserole using broccoli. I swapped out the cheese for Alfredo cheese, and I did add American cheese to it, some cream of mushroom soup, and some crispy onions. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to tell you guys my joke. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Let me tell you guys my joke. Man, 911. What's your emergency? Woman, I think I accidentally shot and killed my boyfriend. Man, okay miss, calm down. First of all, make sure he's really dead. Woman, okay, I'll be right back. 2 loud gunshots are heard. Man, I just heard 2 long loud gunshots. Are you okay? Woman replies, I'm fine, and he is most definitely dead. I thought that was just sick, but I guess you have to ask the question the right way. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment and share. I love responding to all my comments. This dish is delicious. You can swap out anything, add anything, change your cheeses. But as I stated, most broccoli and cheese casseroles have cheddar cheese. I wanted to do an Alfredo style. And then I ended up adding ham and crispy onions to kind of level it up so it's kind of loaded. But anyway, have a great evening. God bless. And I hope to see you on the next one.